Hi everyone, and welcome to our QuickLabel QL-850 tech support tutorial. Today we'll review unpacking and powering on your printer. Before unpacking the printer, prepare your installation area, a flat solid surface with access to power. Cut the tape on top of the box. Check the included parts: the power cable, the USB cable, your print head, and your ink cartridges. Set them on the side and ensure that the arrow on the print head is facing up. Remove the protective shipping foam. Now slide the shipping box up and remove it. Cut the plastic bag and pull it down so the handles of the printer are visible. Make sure that you have a clear table area to place the printer next to a working power outlet. Lift the printer from the correct handles above the unwinder and in front of the printer. The QL-850 printer can be fairly heavy for one person, so you may want to do this with another person. Remove the shipping tape from around the printer. Open the top cover and remove the ties. Make sure you remove this foam on the inside. Open the side cover and remove the protective tray. Unlock the transport unit. Hold the transport unit handle, slide it out a bit, and then push it in to ensure that it's fully seated. Remove these foam pads that are stored inside the printer during transportation. You may want to keep these later if you're planning on packing up or transporting the printer between use. Open the maintenance cartridge door and ensure it's seated correctly by pushing it in, then close the door. Now we'll discuss turning on your printer. Connect the power cable to the printer and your power outlet. Switch the main power switch on above the power cable to the on position. From the front panel of the printer, press and hold the power button to turn the printer on. When turning the printer off, always turn it off by pressing and holding the power button on the front panel of the printer. In our next video, we'll continue the QL-850 setup by showing you how to install the printer driver and also some routine maintenance. Thank you for watching our QL-850 tech support tutorial video. For additional tech support tutorials, please visit our playlist. If you have any questions, please visit us at astronovaproductid.com or contact tech support. Thank you and have a great day.